One of the very common questions that people have when they've been injured in an accident is, do I need an attorney? And if so, do I need an attorney right now? The answer to that is maybe not. If you have a rather minor injury that is expected to fully heal without any permanent residual problems, or even a moderate injury where liability is absolutely clear and the circumstances are not likely to change, you may be able to get by without hiring an attorney immediately. There are many circumstances, however, where it's absolutely critical to engage an attorney promptly. Let me give you some examples. If you were injured by a product that's defective, it blows apart or breaks or whatever happens, that product needs to be preserved in the condition that it's in immediately following the injury. It means all the pieces need to be gathered up. It needs to be secured just like evidence would be secured in a crime. That is the evidence with which you'll be able to establish that the product was defective. If the product is gone, the ability to prove the defect is often gone. In liquor liability claims, most bars have video surveillance cameras that record everything that goes on in the bar. Those cameras are on what's called a continuous loop, where either the tape will loop and record over itself every so many days or perhaps every 30 days, or it's on a computer hard drive that will also record over itself during given intervals. So the bar may not even be aware that an accident has occurred that could give rise to liability and may negligently destroy the evidence or may intentionally destroy the evidence. So it's important to find out, number one, whether there is surveillance, and if so, notify the bar immediately to secure the surveillance. At accident scenes with cars and motorcycles and semis, there can be very important telltale signs on the highway, gouges and skid marks that need to be photographed and thoroughly measured immediately. There's an old saying that the physical evidence doesn't lie in a motor vehicle accident case. Witnesses can be mistaken about what they saw, or they can even lie about what it is that they saw or happened. But the physical evidence is going to tell the story. If that evidence isn't gathered, then the story can never be told, at least accurately. So it is important at times to engage an attorney early on, and there's no harm in doing so. Almost all personal injury attorneys offer a free initial consultation. At that consultation, you could get educated about whether your claim is the type of claim in which evidence needs to be preserved.